So in honour of school finishing and COVID restrictions easing here in Melbourne, my friends and I decided to spend 24 hours getting back into travelling and heading to some of the coolest places around our city. It had been a long time since we'd been able to get out travelling again after almost 5 months of lockdown. But now that I've finished school, I'm looking forward to getting out and exploring some new places around Australia. The day would consist of sunset at Red Bluff, before a day hike the next day through Yarra Bend, and a rainy hike through the Dandenong Ranges. This is a video with the content that came out of that trip. Hope you guys enjoy.